In this tutorial you will learn how to view the bill and packing status.
Step 1. Click on Orders link on Seller Dashboard. Step 2. Click on My Confirmed Orders.
Step 3. Click on View button of the invoice you want to print.
Step 4. Click on Print button to take print out of this product's invoice. Step 5. Click on Print button to take print out of shipping bill. Step 6. Click on Back button to change the packing status.
Step 7. Change the packing status by clicking Not Packed button to Packed after packing this product.
Note: there is no need to print bill, invoice, if the packing is completed in customer ordered process stage. To reverse of packing status, once again click on Packed button. It will be changed to Not Packed status. Packing status is for seller reference, to verify the product is packed or not.